Wow, you made a purse, Dana. Pretty purse. Whose bag, Dana? Whose purse is that? Aurora's or yours? Aurora's bag?
No, car.
Aurora's purse or your purse?
Aurora.
What is Aurora doing, Dana?
Sleeping.
Yeah, she's sleeping.
Yes.
Oh, we'll spill it.
Very dear.
Philly, come here.
Dear.
You have to wake her up. Philip, where are you?
Here.
Oh, where's Philip? The fairies? Philip, Prince. The pretty prince. Philip, Prince. Go to Aurora's castle. Go, go, go. You have to go to Aurora's castle to wake her up.
No.
Oh, kiss her.
Aurora. Until we
Kiss. Oh!
Hey, I do go.